So this is my website. How to create my Facebook advertisement ad without using for Facebook Manager. Without using for Facebook Manager. First of all, this is my Facebook page. In this Facebook page, how to create ad without Ads Manager. So a lot of people explain about the Ads Manager. Without Ads Manager also will be create ads. The option is called promote. In your page, option is called promote. Before promote, first you check the Facebook page currency. So which currency they will accept? Which currency they will accept? Where you can go for page settings. Any Facebook page after create, the page setting is more important. In this page setting, go for payments. Which one they accept? INR, Indian rupees. It will be problem solved. Go to page. Before create any Facebook page ads, first you check the where payment procedure. Is it Indian rupees or US or UK? From dinars, anything will check. Now click for promote. Click for promote. In this boost post, promote your send message, promote your page, promote your business locally, promote your contact us button, get more website visitor, get more leads. These are the options. In this, promote your business locally. Which one? Promote your business locally. Select it. How many miles? How many miles I can promote? 1 mile. We can check 1 mile in kilometers. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. So in this, I'm adding for 10 miles. How many? 16 kilometers. I will increase up to 15 miles. How much? 24 kilometers. So it's okay. My business I'm targeting how many kilometers? Total 25 kilometers. After that, where will be fixed. Second one, age people target. First one is a miles done. Second one is age people. Age people I'm targeting for 18 years to up to 55 years. How many? Based on this ad, next time you can change your age preference. Select your age preference. After that, select your interest people. Which people selecting for interior? Which people looking for interior design? Interior design. Why? My website belongs to for interior design. Done. After that, now select your image. Here, how many characters will be accept? Only for headline. How many characters? Only 25 characters. Select it. Interior designers. After writing for text. So in this one, interior designers. 2 BHK, 2.99 lakhs. Three BHK, 4 lakhs. Exactly 90 category will be finished. Is it clear? This one is the more important. Is it clear? After that, what is your button will be added? Like page, call now, get direction, learn more, send message and save. I'll go for which one? Learn more or send message. Learn more or send message. I'm clicking for where? Send message. or else go for learn more. So learn more information. Learn more information. See, here we have two options are there. Run this ad continuously or choose start date and end date. But I'm running for ad continuously. Facebook Ads Manager budget is starting for 40 rupees. Less than 40 does not accept. Facebook Ads Manager budget will start by where? 40 rupees. So I'm selecting for 30 rupees. Minimum budget how to start? 40 rupees. Here I'm adding for 50 rupees. I'm adding for 50 rupees. In this 50, the reach will be 510 to 1500. 510 to 1500. So this one is a 50 rupees your budget. What is called? Learn more. So budget is 50, tax will be 9 rupees. Total how much? 59. Reach will be 510 to 1500. 510 to 1500. So the image will be valid. The image will be valid. But I'm changing for image structure. I'm changing for image structure. The using option is called canva.com. In this canva.com, first you select by the your Facebook post option. Select it. In this, I'm adding for multiple design. Which one? I'm adding for multiple design. So this one. Select your element. In this, I'll selecting for grid option. Which one? I'm selecting for grid option. So I'm selecting for 3 grid. Go for upload. Select your image. In this, what are the images are is best? Is it clear? Now click for download. I'm not writing any kind of text. Why? The image will be, I'm not writing any kind of text here. In this text, we have to show by logo also. Upload logo. Why logo? Why indicate logo for? This will be my Happy Homes website. After uploading logo, just upload. Just go into small change. After you can go for transparent. Then is a transparent. You can go for a little bit transparent. Download. And how to check? Facebook overlay. Select it. When image will showing which one? Text will be low, text will be medium, text will be high. Image will be okay. Upload, download. In this, select your image. So this image, upload it. Now you can check image, text will be okay or low or medium or high. Or showing for image text will be okay. Image is always less than 20%. Less than 20%. So coming to this, how to add image? Browse, library. In this, upload image. But scroll down. Before uploading, change your image name. What I'm writing for Happy Home Design iPhone interior design projects in Hyderabad. Upload. Click for showing clear. Showing for button learn more. The ad will showing which one sponsored. Before creating ad, we can check ad will be how many places will be showing. This will showing for desktop feed and mobile news feed, Instagram, Facebook stories, message inbox, and mobile marketing place. They're showing for mobile marketing place also. Total how many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many ads? They're showing for 6 place ad will be showing. Desktop, mobile, Instagram, Facebook stories, message inbox, and mobile marketing place. You can see how ad will be displayed. Mobile marketing place, message inbox, Facebook story. Everyone knows the story. Instagram, mobile news feed, and desktop news feed. It's clear. After that, something scroll down. Click for count. Is asking for GST. Click for continue. You don't have any GST. Click for continue. When time is not accepting, you're not adding for your state. Adding the state, GST will be approved without any adding details. Why? GST is not mandatory right now on Facebook. In future, everything will be including GST will be there. So your ad will be approved in this. You are creating your ad. Check the status will be here. What the status will be here. Close. Where you can check the ad center. So in this we can creating for your ads will be there. And you can checking ad purpose where under review. Second option is called, we can check where our ad that is called facebook.com/manage. You can check by your page ad center or facebook.com/manage also. In this one, we can go for ads manager. Both are showing for review. Both are showing for review option. What is showing for? In review. What is showing for here? In review. What the ad name? Local search. What the ad name? Local business. Local search and local business. Is it clear? So this is called ad will be create without using ads manager. But here payment will be only for ads manager. Ads will be create without ads manager, but payment will adding for with the ads manager. Is it clear? So this is the ad will be create. The ad will approve for 1 hour to 24 hours time. 1 hour to 24 hours. Within 1 hour or 1 hour to up to 24 hours time. Maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 or 4. Based on the approved by your condition, ad will be approved. When approved ad, they showing for active stage. This ad will be approved or disapproved. How will we check? Every time we can't check by desktop application. That is called in a Play Store, App Store providing for Facebook Ads Manager. Which one? Facebook Ads Manager. In this Ads Manager, go to Apps. How to install? Go to Apps. Ads Manager. This is it. Is it clear? These are screens. Will be showing for particular options. See, I will be checking the total overview. Is it clear? So this is will be created by the Facebook advertising without using Facebook Manager. The report will be checking for desktop and mobile also. Mobile name is called Facebook Ads Manager. How to logo will be find out. This is the logo will be find out. Is it clear? So this is called create Facebook ads. This is a local business ads.